Remember the last time you needed to send a message or tell someone where you were, but for some reason you couldn't? That's because there were probably too many people around you. Or you were too far from a tower.
How was your night? Oh my god!
Or maybe the network was down.
Hello?
And you probably saw this, or this, or one of these. That's all about to change with goTenna. goTenna pairs wirelessly with your smartphone, making it possible to text and share your location with anyone else who also has one, even when you don't have service. No need for cell towers, Wi-Fi, or satellites. With goTenna, you can communicate no matter what. Find friends even when the rest of the crowd is struggling to get their message through. goTenna's great for travel because it works anywhere in the world. Explore and roam for free. And if there's an emergency, you can send a message to all goTennas within range. Because here's the thing, cell phones are great, but there's a lot of situations when they're just not that reliable. It's time to start your own network and make no service, no problem. goTenna.